the thing that separates a profitable trader from a unprofitable trader is that you guys have to accept when you're wrong and step away from the charts. Some people cannot accept the fact that they're wrong.
Money Productions.
Damn, I did 5. That's crazy. I'm not mad at my results. It's part of the game, and we live to trade another week.
Pretty much, this is what my afternoon relies on: editing videos and watching cartoons with my son.
If you don't have a strong mindset when it comes to trading, when it comes to life in general, you're not gonna win, bro. You're not gonna win with a weak fucking mind.
Welcome back to another day in the life. Welcome back to another video. Today was a very weird day when it comes to trading. I ended up taking a L. Overall P&L for the day on my Express account is $25 that I lost. And on the evals, I lost $250. But for some reason, I ended up going against my model. I don't know what it is. I wanted to see the reversal after the sweep of Asian session lows. I don't know, bro. I'll have a trade recap for you guys, but I really want to explain to you guys that it doesn't matter if you're wrong, right? Like, the thing that separates a profitable trader from a unprofitable trader is that you guys have to accept when you're wrong and step away from the charts. Some people cannot accept the fact that they're wrong. And I'm going to give a perfect example. If you guys are trading with Top Step, go into their Discord and check the community, bro. People are complaining left and right about a lot of shit, making like I don't want to say threats, but they're like, oh, I'm gonna switch prop firms and this and that, like, just because they keep on losing, bro. And it's like some people are just cannot accept the fact that they do not know what they're doing. They cannot take a step back and reassess themselves and just fix those problems. The only problem that I'm having right now is the overload of information. I've been home for the past month without a job, just looking at the charts, and it's killing me. It's just the overload of information. I'm pretty much having this thing, I want to say analysis paralysis, like so much fucking content that I'm just like freezing up. Like, it's like, oh shit, like I'm not letting my brain process things properly. And I don't want to say it's a bad thing, but at the same time, it is a good thing that I'm learning more concepts, and it's a good thing that I'm spending good amount of time on the charts. But at the same time, like, I need to stay away from this shit. I'm going to use this 3-day weekend. Tomorrow's Good Friday, and just not look at the charts or trading content, because trust me, I just be looking at the charts. I be watching content when it comes to trading, going over some courses, going over a lot of stuff, and I just overloaded myself with information. Today was a perfect example of my set. Today my setup presented itself perfectly. I'll have the trade recap for you guys. I just want to re-emphasize on that. And I didn't catch that I was like, I didn't grasp that I was just trying to wait for my setup to play out first and then get in a trade. Like, now looking back at that shit, it's kind of stupid. But once again, it's the overload of information. A lot of one thing can really be very fucking bad, right? Like, it will just, I don't want to say I drifted away from my game plan and everything, but no, it just, I don't know. I was just so confused today, bro. Honestly, I just been so zoned out the last couple of days, bro. And I'm gonna use this weekend just to relax and not look at the charts. I've been telling you guys, like, and I'm not saying relaxing in the aspect of like not doing shit, just laying around in the house. Nah, like, I'm still going to work out when it comes to my discipline, my mentality. I'm still gonna show up. I still got hella content to record. I got many things to do, but when it comes to trading, I'm gonna just take a step back, relax, and just wait for Monday. Wait for the next trading week, because I'm doing too much and now I'm just getting in my own way. But it's not a bad thing. Trust me, it's not a bad thing, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you feel like that's you, just take a step back. Really just take a step back. And now, if you are having trouble taking winning trades, you see your model percent itself, realistically, bro, it's that you cannot accept a L. Like if your trade already played out, your model already played out, and you know you're wrong, don't fucking revenge trade. Don't try to look for no confluences because in your mind you will convince yourself, oh, this might work. Oh, we're pushing to the upside, and you'll get caught in the chop zone, consolidation, whatever. Take a step back. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Get off the fucking charts and carry on with your day. I'll bring you guys along the day. Today, I don't really have that many things that I'll be doing. I just be um, pretty much stuck on the charts and working out right now. I'm about to hit a home workout, some push-ups, pull-ups. I got my dumbbells. And yeah, I'm working on this little room. It's the storage room that we have outside the apartment, but still, it's fucking huge. And I haven't been recording because I caught myself like deviating away from recording because I don't have a room to record, and I don't really want to be inside recording and out here in my patio because people can hear me. And like I told you guys, I really don't like, I'll talk to you guys on camera, but like when it comes to like people being around me and me speaking my mind, it's like, oh shit, you know? But yeah, working on this room, probably add some posters or some shit. I have an extension cord running through this. I have a MacBook and all these things. This setup is ghetto as fuck. I'm not gonna show you guys, but I might start streaming on YouTube, the lives, probably TikTok too. I don't know yet because I don't know. I really just don't know. I really want to stream, but at the same time, I don't know, bro. Might do it, might not do it. That's why I have the premium Discord for. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along today. I just keep on fucking yapping, bro. All right, so it is the end of the trading day. I ended up sending my daily bias to the team in the morning. I was very bullish for the day. I wanted to see price hold above the hourly gap and then to take that internal low, and just overall target was that opening gap we had. I think it was Tuesday if I'm not mistaken. But I was expecting price to retrace back into Asian session lows and just have a reversal, right? I mean, Asian session looked very bullish. We had a reaction away from this level yesterday. This huge drop was because Powell spoke yesterday. So going into this day, I wanted to see price have a reaction to the upside. You guys can see here, 6 a.m. we closed above this candle, solidifying my bullish bias. But the thing is, my strategy relies on taking out Asian session lows or highs. So let's say London session takes out the highs. New York will most likely take the opposing side of the liquidity, and if it will be a reversal, it will still manipulate down into Asian session lows. Sometimes we just come down to the Asian session lows and keep on dropping for these targets right here. Perfect example yesterday, you seen that London session took out Asian session highs, then New York came around. We almost took out the Asian lows, and then boom, just flushed immediately, right? Continued the bearish bias. Today, I was very bullish for the day, but still, I had multiple entry models, especially during market open for my overall bias to the downside, but I didn't take it. You can see here, market open created a bearish fair value gap right here. We ended up staying below it, and price just ended up hitting those targets. I was wrong, and it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Managed to preserve some capital, managed to survive the trading day, not marrying my bias, understanding that I was wrong, and called it a day, right? Some people, especially when I first started, I really wanted to be right, and that will really cook you. But going for this trade, as soon as we closed below it, would have entered at the retest, would have entered at these wicks right here, targeting my Asian session lows. 50-point stop loss is what I normally do, targeting a 1 and 2. Um, and yeah, man, I mean, not even all the way to Asian session lows, I would have hit my initial target, 100 points. It would have been a quick trade. It would have been in less than 15 minutes, I want to say. Yeah, less than 15 minutes, we would have capitalized off of this move and potentially a 200-point trade. But I mean, it is what it is. I was wrong. It's part of the game, right? We just gotta live and learn. Keep on moving into the next day. Managed to keep our account in alive. This account is just locked because I have a what is it? A daily loss limit. But yeah, this is my evals. They are down 250 for the day. I've been just trading them very recklessly, mainly focusing on being very proper with my risk management on my Express account. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the trading day. I mean, there's gonna be these moments. We're gonna have trades that don't go our way. We're going to have moments where we disrespect our game plan and live with the consequences, right? Like, I know how I trade. I know that my system works. I know what I like to see in the market. Um, I just pretty much got tricked by, I pretty much just got deceived, right? Really wanted to see this get rebalanced. But potentially could happen still, potentially not. We could take out these highs, whatever. But overall, very bullish, but still, I'm not mad at my results. It's part of the game, and we live to trade another week. A little quick disclaimer here. I haven't done pull-ups in a minute. Oh, this bitch changed. Oh my god, did the camera change to like my face? Oh no, I'm tweaking, bro. Quick disclaimer. I haven't done pull-ups in a minute. The gym does not have a pull-up bar. I found this in my box when I was cleaning the storage room. So yeah, I'm about to do some pull-ups right now. Better than expected, but my fucking shirt is short as fuck, bro. Damn, I did 5. That's crazy. That didn't even look like full reps, but keep in mind, I'm not that tall, but like it looked like I was standing, but nah, bro. That's a tall ass door frame. So I did 5. I'm gonna continue on with the sets. Do my push-ups. I got my dumbbells. Finish the at-home workout and make some breakfast. Edit some content for TikTok, for YouTube, and stay away from the fucking charts. But yeah, besides that, let's have an amazing day, and I'll bring you guys along today. Let's get to it.
I'm about to go check the mail. We got some packages today. Um, I don't know why I got a hoodie on when it's fucking hot outside. I got Crocs with no socks, bro. It's crazy. But just had some breakfast. Been very much just thinking about not the trade or the execution, but just very much thinking about how the fuck did I let that shit happen? You know, like how did I get blinded by all of that shit? But at the same time, it's like we live and learn, you know? About to go pick up these packages and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully they don't tweak out in the office because the office was locked, but I opened the door, so I got the package because I think they're not going to open up tomorrow. And if I don't get shit today, I'm not gonna wait for this shit till Monday because we really need, because the whole package is pretty much some toys for my son for his Easter basket. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. We got all the good stuff out here, but just hiding this shit for my little boy. But yeah, I can't wait till Monday. So the door for the mail was open, but the door for the office was closed and there was nobody in there. But I mean, the door for the mail is where I go in through to the gym, so I don't see there should be a problem in there, right? With that being said, I think I'm about to clean the storage room today or tomorrow because it is kind of dusty. I ended up setting up everything, but right now I'm about to head upstairs, take off this hoodie. I mean, it's not hot inside, um, edit some content, and just upload the back testing session for the team, for the people in the premium Discord. And yeah, just carry on along the day, bring you guys along the whole process. Bring you guys along the day, bring you guys along the whole process. Damn, bro, it's fucking hot. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Pretty much, this is what my afternoon relies on: editing videos and watching cartoons with my son. Yep, just editing the reels, editing the content, and just working on it. I've been staying away from the trading content. I've been staying away from the charts. I've been staying away from watching trading content. I'm really going to focus on mentality this weekend. Just digging deeper into reading a couple more books, mainly audiobooks, and just working on my mental. Like, I just really want to work on my mental because I feel like I've just been all over the place these past couple days. But yeah, after trading, after working out, after working on myself, this is pretty much what my day consists of, just being a father, right?
I look crazy right now, but I just finished let me show you guys.
Can y'all see that? I just finished that shit. Damn near took me 30 minutes.
The only reason why it took me 30 minutes is because it was a very serious battle with my mind, right? Like I've been telling you guys since the beginning, it's mindset over anything. Really, if you could dominate your mind, you will conquer anything that's in front of you. Running is one of the things I hate the most. I really hate running the most. It's very difficult for me because I have a deviated septum, so I really can't breathe unless I have like the nose strip, all that bullshit, right? I'm not making excuses, just it's very complicated for me to run. Allergies, asthma, all that shit, right? And I hate it, but it's a very, very great mental workout for me because my mind leads the body. My body wants to quit. As soon as I'm in the first mile, I want to quit. As soon as I feel my legs getting heavy, I can't catch my breath, I want to quit. But I'm testing my mind. My mentality is the foundation of everything. If you don't have a strong mindset when it comes to trading, when it comes to life in general, you're not going to win, bro. You're not going to win with a weak fucking mind. I'm going to take this weekend, I want to call it a weekend because I'm not trading tomorrow, it's Good Friday, to really work on my mentality. I really need to stay away from the charts, stay away from trading, stay away from social media. I'm not talking about posting content, but like before I'm about to post a video or something on YouTube, a short or a TikTok or whatever, I get caught doom scrolling, bro. Like I get caught scrolling, and I really gotta work on that. It's really fucking my dopamine. Like I'm not doing what I was doing a month ago, 2 months ago. Even though I said to myself that I was going to be the most disciplined version of myself now. But I just realized God was testing me. It really, really God put me through a lot these last couple weeks. Because I can't fucking, my voice is cracking. He really put me through a lot these past couple weeks. I mean, testing my mentality, showing me what I was lacking when it came to trading. Trust me, the study sessions that I've been putting myself through really was an overload of information, but I am not gonna lie to you guys. Now I'm comfortable reading the 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute charts, executing on those charts. And I know that I've gained a lot of knowledge when it comes to trading, and at the same time, like the people in the Discord, I keep them accountable. I do a lot of things for them. I want to teach beginner traders, and at the same time, I gotta level up myself, right? But it was just the overload of content, and yeah, I just froze, bro. Like literally, I just froze, and it was like a game-winning shot, right? I just fucking froze at the buzzer. I couldn't get the shot off, right? Besides that, I take the good things out of this week. My evals are damn near blown because I don't know, I'm just being very crazy with the evals, bro. I'm not following my trading plan on the evals, and once I lock out myself from the evals, I go back into my Express account and I'm taking proper trades. I'm just putting more attention into my Express account. I managed to recover from a major L week Last week I lost down near 700. My Express account's balance was at $325. Right now we're sitting at 450. I know it's not that crazy, but keep in mind I'm only risking $25 and one micro. I'm being very cautious when it comes to my risk. And my live account, for some reason, I think I just locked it for the whole week, trying to trade Asian session, but I still have over $428 in my live account as well. Managed to double up the balance in that account with one trading day. I haven't taken no trades. I could have ran up that account too, but I mean, it's all part of God's plan, right? Everything that you do serves a purpose, but at the same time, like, I just overloaded myself. That's it. Just assessing the situation. I did nothing wrong. I was just seeing too much extra confluences. I was just my head was in a whole different headspace, and we learned from this. We really learned from this. We're gonna take this weekend to really focus on our mentality. Me and the boys in the Discord just gonna run that up this weekend. Live calls, one-on-one calls also with some of my mentees, and just run it up from there, right? But with that being said, boys, this concludes my day. I know it's not the most entertaining content, but I still don't have a set schedule, bro. Like trade, workout, I'm a dad, edit content, and repeat the cycle, right? I just have so much free time now that I'm just consuming content. I don't watch TV, bro. I don't watch movies. I don't watch YouTube unless it's educational for my trading or for my psychology, right? And I need to get a hobby or some shit, bro. But hopefully this weekend I'm gonna be waking up early, go shoot some hoops, and just get my mind off of the charts, right? But with that being said, boys, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in. We're at 730 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. I know we're going to reach 1,000 very, very soon, and I'm gonna just keep on showing up for you guys and keep on bringing you banger content. Potentially during the weekend, I might have an educational video when it comes to trading. You guys can let me know down below in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one.